My sweet memories of a pilgrim tour to Madurai Meenakshi Amman, Parvati and Sundareswar Shiva Temple, Tamil Nadu, India. Madurai Meenakshi Amman or Meenakshi Sundareswara Temple is located on the southern banks of the Vaigai River. Madurai is famous for Madurai Meenakshi Temple. Madurai is in Madurai district, Tamil Nadu, India. It is a Hindu temple. The temple is dedicated to Meenakshi Parvati and her husband Sundareswarar Shiva. The temple is at the center of Madurai city. It is an old temple mentioned in the Sangam literature in 6th century. The temple was built by King Kulasegara Pandya. Then many renovations. Tirumala Nayaka repaired the renovated and expanded in the 17th century. Now the 14 Gopurams gateway towers are 45 to 50 meters in height, with the southern Gopuram tallest at 51.9 meters, 170 feet. There is a Ayirangal Mandavam, 1000 pillar hall, Kilikkudu Mandavam, Golu Mandavam, and Pudu Mandavam, and then a golden lotus temple pond. Gopurams of Meenakshi Amman and Sundareswara are made with gold. The sub-deities are Lakshmi, Krishna, Rukmani, Brahma, and Saraswati, etc. The Meenakshi Amman temple complex is very large and it is spread over 14 acres. Thousands of devotees visit this temple daily. Foreigners also visit the temple. In and out of the temple, architecture are very fantastic. The painting of the temple is also very attracting one. During the annual 10-day Meenakshi Tirukkalyanam festival, celebrated with much festivals and Ratha chariot procession during the Tamil month of Chitrai, April and May. Madurai is 460 kilometers southwest from Chennai. By road, National Highway 38, we can reach the temple from Chennai very quickly. By rail also we can reach Madurai railway station from all parts of India. There is also an airport in Madurai. Madurai is also called as Kadambavanam because there was a forest of Kadamba trees. The temple has a 6-time puja every day. Abhishekam, Alangaram, Naivedyam and Deeparadhana are the daily rituals. Temple opens on 5 am to 12:30 pm noon and then closes and reopens at 4 pm to 10 pm. There are many good lodges, residencies, cottages, resorts, hotels, etc. There are also very good hotels, restaurants, coffee houses, etc. Madurai is famous for idli. Idli is famous South Indian dish. The main places to visit in Madurai are Tirupparankuntram, Murugan temple. It is one of the 6 important temples in Tamil Nadu. Gandhi Museum is famous for history, Gandhi freedom struggle, etc. Samanar Hills. It is situated 10 km away. The caves were used by Samanar the Jains. Kodal Alagar temple. It is dedicated to God Vishnu. It is 2 km away from the city. Padamudir Sholai. It is another temple dedicated to God Murugan. It is another one temple of Murugan's 6 houses. Tirumalai Nayakar Mahal. The palace is built in the 16th century. It is 1 km away from the city. Places to visit near Madurai. Kodaikanal, the Princess of Hill Station. It is a beautiful cool hill tourist station in Tamil Nadu, India. It is 116 km away from Madurai. The best time to visit is September to May. Munnar, Kerala, India is a hill station 153 km away from Madurai. There are many waterfalls, lakes, forests, tea estates, viewpoints, etc. It is located in Western Ghats. Periyar Tiger Reserve. It is the largest reserve of India. Bamboo rafting is also a major attraction. It is 39 kilometer away. It is famous for elephants and tiger. Dhanushkodi, the ghost town of Tamil Nadu. The Dhanushkodi beach is famous for the white sand. Then Adams Bridge. It is connecting India and Sri Lanka. Distance from Madurai is 192 km. You can see the Sri Lanka from here. Rameswaram Temple. It is also an island city of Pamban Island. It is 172.5 km away. There is also a Pamban bridge for railway train on the sea. Thoothukudi. It is 150 km away. You can enjoy wildlife and ecosystem. You can have many tasty dishes of North India and South India here. Thattekadu Bird Sanctuary in Kerala is a paradise to bird lovers. 500 species of birds can be seen here. It is 217 km away. Vagamon. You can enjoy the natural beauty here. Man-made pine forest is famous. It is 184 km away. Tanjavur. It is famous for its paintings. You can buy beautiful printed sarees and musical instruments. It is 189.3 km away from Madurai. Shivagashi. It is in